Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get FPS Unlocker for Roblox. So firstly, we have to open our browser, and in the search panel, we will type Roblox FPS Unlocker. Now we have to look for a GitHub page. The first one is the GitHub page. So we'll just open it. After coming into the GitHub page, you will see that there are a lot of versions for the FPS Unlocker. You'll just have to look for the latest version and then come to the Assets tab and click on the first zip file. Now it has downloaded. We'll just take it to the desktop, paste here. Now we'll extract it to its named folder. Now it has been extracted in a folder. So just open it, and here is the FPS Unlocker. So this is how we can get FPS Unlocker for Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.